Ever pondered about the Citizenship Amendment Act and its implications on our society? This piece of legislation, introduced with the intent to provide a legal pathway for certain persecuted minorities, has stirred up quite a storm. The act, in essence, seeks to grant citizenship to specific religious communities fleeing persecution from select neighboring countries. But it's not all applause and agreement. The Citizenship Amendment Act has become a hotbed of controversy, sparking nationwide debates. The CAA certainly has sparked a nationwide debate. But why? Some laud the CAA as a beacon of hope for persecuted minorities. Indeed, the Citizenship Amendment Act has been championed as a humanitarian endeavor, designed to provide a sanctuary for those fleeing religious persecution in neighboring nations. It extends an opportunity for these individuals to gain Indian citizenship, potentially transforming their lives. Delving deeper, the CAA's proponents argue that it's a pathway towards social and economic stability for these communities. By offering citizenship, it provides access to the rights and privileges that come with being an Indian national, such as the right to vote, the right to work, and access to social welfare schemes. This act, they believe, could be a game changer, offering a fresh start to those who have lived in fear and uncertainty. It's viewed as a symbol of India's commitment to upholding human rights and offering a safe haven to those in need. So the CAA seems to be a lifeline for some, but why are others vehemently opposing it? Others argue the CAA is discriminatory and undermines secular principles. They say that by offering citizenship to migrants from specific religious groups, the act discriminates against others. Critics question the exclusion of Muslims and see this as a violation of India's constitution, which guarantees equality before the law, regardless of religion. There's also concern that the act could alter India's demographic balance. With the influx of migrants, the cultural and social fabric of regions could shift, potentially causing social unrest. Another point of contention is the undermining of secular principles. Critics argue that by favoring certain religions over others, the act challenges the secular nature of the Indian Constitution. Lastly, there are fears about the act setting a dangerous precedent. If religion becomes a criterion for citizenship, what might this mean for future policies? Clearly, the CAA is a complex issue with no easy answers, but it's crucial to weigh these arguments and consider the potential implications before forming an opinion. The CAA, it seems, is a double-edged sword. On one side, it's seen as a beacon of hope for persecuted minorities seeking refuge. On the other, critics argue it violates the principle of secularism by discriminating on religious grounds. The debate is intense, with strong arguments from both camps. The key to resolution? Dialogue and understanding. It's through these that we can find common ground and navigate this complex issue. The Citizenship Amendment Act debate continues. What do you think? Share your views in the comment section below.